If you want to set up the private safe on OPPO Reno 15, you can, for example, open settings on your phone. Now over here in settings, we can scroll down a little bit and choose security and privacy. Next, in security and privacy, you can find the private safe in here in this place. And in order to set up the private safe, we need to have a privacy password. So we can set the password quite easily. We can also change the password type. So let's say we're gonna set up something like this. There we go. You can use your OPPO account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it, but you can also tap on the not now in case you don't want to use it. You can also use a recovery email or security question. In my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple security question. And there we go, we have our private safe created. You can of course go through these categories and you can, for example, add files in here quite easily, whatever you want to hide in the private safe. And if you tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, you can also open settings in case you want to add the home screen icon, for example. So now we can open the private safe from the home screen. You can also use the My Files app in order to find the private safe. If you go to My Files, and then over here we should be able to scroll down in the Files category and we can find the private safe in here. So we can access the private safe like this as well. And that is pretty much it. By the way, you can also add files to the private safe by selecting them in the My Files app. After that, you can tap on more and choose the lock option. And of course, if you open, let's say, a photo or something, then usually you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find the lock option as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.